This is the cordless 3-in-1 handheld vacuum with a 2600 milliamp battery on it, and they say it will run for 40 minutes on a full charge. Came packaged great, arrived safely. You can see the very nice packaging here. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Inside the package, you get some easy to read instructions, a whole bunch of accessories here that are clearly defined in this manual, in case you don't know. And you get about a 3-foot long Type-C charging cable because this is a rechargeable device. So they call this a 3-in-1 device. It's a vacuum and a blower and an air evacuator. But I would actually call this more of a multi-purpose device. You can do all kinds of things with this thing using the vacuum and blower functions that you probably never even thought of before. It has 13,500 pascals of suction power. Some of the robot vac companies suggest, 3,000 to 4,000 PA or higher. So if this thing actually kicks out 13,500 PA, it should be in great shape to pick up even like small particles off of, most surfaces that you have. It's typical to any type of shop vac you have. Right here, this twists and comes off. And you can see they have given us a filter here. You actually get 2 filters with this, a spare and this one you can see that I've been using. And this is a rinseable filter too. You can rinse this out and I'll show you. So when you put this on, just easy, turn, done. This side obviously is the vacuum side and this side is the blower side. When you're using the blower function and these types of nozzles that go along with it, you're going to want to remove this section and you just attach the blower thing, turn to the right, and now you've got a blower. And it's easy to remember because certain attachments only attach to one side of the unit. For instance, this guy only attaches this way and so forth. And they've given you a couple of brushes that you can add on to these certain pieces as well. To turn it on, you just press the button and hold it for 3 seconds. You can hear it there. It goes into high mode and you can hear it there. Sounds like a typical small vacuum, not very loud at all. And if you press it a 3rd time, it turns off. So it's compact, it's about the size of a small hair dryer. With the attachment on the front here, we're looking at about 8 inches long and 7 inches on the bottom side here. Super lightweight, it's perfect for storing in your car or on a shelf or wherever. You can keep the charging cable and all the accessories together in the bag here. And with the bag, it's obviously easy to transport too. So it's a nice, lightweight, rechargeable car vacuum with a bunch of useful accessories, and it's easy to store away. This would be great for your car's carpet or seats. Great for blowing off your dash, side compartments, or cup holder, stuff like that. It's got the attachments you can get in there with the brush. If you attach the evacuator nozzle on here, it's good for pulling air out of rafts or air mattresses, sealing food bags or other inflatable items. You've got different types of attachments you can attach here too. So it's good for inflating them the next time. This is the small nozzle, the large nozzle, and the medium-sized nozzle. It's perfect for a whole range of items, small to large, all kinds of stuff. I like it.